Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to restore old photos using Gemini. So as you can see, I've got Gemini open here and I've started a new chat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus button and then I'm going to click on upload files. So navigate to the picture that you want to restore. This can be a scanned copy or even a picture of a picture. So in this case, I'll be using this one. Picture of some dogs shot in black and white. So this is a really great technique to know if you want to restore something like old family photos where the quality and maybe even the color isn't quite up to modern standards. So now that I've got the file uploaded into my chat, I'm just going to quickly write a prompt. If you'd like, you can always follow along and use the same prompt I'm using, or you can also make a few adjustments, whatever to suit your needs. So I want you to modernize this photo. I want to add color into this black and white image. And I also want you to increase the sharpness and resolution. I'm pretty satisfied with that prompt, so now I'm going to go ahead and press enter. So usually this takes anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes, sometimes even just a few seconds. Gemini is going to analyze the picture and it's going to start processing the image data and create an output. So as you can see, that didn't take very long at all. And it even presented us with choices that we get to choose from. So the two images are very similar. One of them has slightly more muted colors while the other is a bit warmer. I'm going to go ahead and choose choice A. So here is our finished photo. It's a very good recreation of the image, just a more modernized version of it. So now I can go ahead and save this image, download full size, and I can use it for whatever I might want to. So it's really easy, only takes a few steps and some typing. And as I've said before, it's just really great if you maybe want to restore an old photo album, for example. So that's pretty much it for this video. Really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.